Okay. Hello, my name is Jeff Gossett. I'm the channel lock rep. Just going to show a couple items here today. These are our new. All right. These are our new quick adjust pliers. It's a push button plier. Has more adjustments than our traditional tongue and groove pliers. And it's got a crosshatch for the teeth, which grips 30% better than our regular pliers. It's got a deburring feature on the head for clearing pipe. And the best feature is right there. It's the American flag, 100% made in USA.
Lifetime warranty.
Limited lifetime warranty, yes.
You can wear them out, but you can't break them.
You can wear them out, and you can't break them. Right? Yeah. Channel lock doesn't make broken or defective tools. Real quick, I'll come over here. This is Channel Lock's new made in US, 100% made in USA screwdriver line. It's a 3-sided handle for improved grip. It's a vacuum heat treated US steel blades and a magnetic tip. Again, 100% made in USA.
So there's minuses. They do SAE and we have smaller sets that don't have the wheel sizes. I mean, that's when you really need it.
This is a reversible jaw, adjustable. You get it that way, it works like a regular adjustable wrench. You can spin that out, then it would work like a pipe wrench.
But you can use like a stud extractor on those. The cool thing is they work by direction.
These are wide ass adjustables. So that's an 8-inch adjustable wrench. It's got the same jaw capacity as a 12. And all the adjustables have the fractional and the metric markings on them. And then this is the wide ass slim jaw. Again, it's an 8-inch. Then the jaws are shaved down to get into tight spots.
It is such a frustrating thing.
You good?
Good. I'm going to come back up to you so you can tell us goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you for listening.
I'm Mike Abriola. I'm with Lisle Tool. I'm the area representative for Western Pennsylvania. And we're displaying a few of the newer tools in the line. Some of them are some interior parts for moldings and so on. We also have some parts cleaning brushes that are specific to the parts cleaning. Parts cleaners. We have some templates for drilling out things, for manifolds. Very useful tool. A fan clutch removal tool. And we have a new line called Radiator Genie. Radiator Genie is a company that they purchased just recently. The one tool does air for cleaning out radiators. The other one does water for cleaning out radiators. But you don't have to use them on just radiators. You can use them on other things too. They can be used on any piece of equipment, from ATVs to construction equipment to farm equipment to automobiles, or trucks.
Just the air one blowing out a cooler from the outside.
Right.
Great use of that.
Right. And we're getting better play than I thought, but we're getting good play from them so far, but we've only had it out for about 6 months. So they purchased this company this year, and the air and water tool will be in a Lisle part number and a Lisle color. So
Now, since I know, and I've been selling Lisle tool for years, since I know they have a vast line, what's Lisle's website so people can go look at it?
just Google Lisle tool, and that'll bring you right to the website. It'll give you specifics as far as also their invented tool program, where they'll give you a royalty on purchasing or on designing a tool that you've used in your shop specifically for a reason. And if they feel it has merit, then they'll add it to the line. So one of the other tools that I'd like to point out would be this is a new tool we've got a lot of good feedback on. This is a magnetic funnel holder. So the mechanic attaches it to his toolbox via magnets, and you can put a funnel in there to drain off fluids that you've used to fill a car. So some fluids are specific to those vehicles, so they don't want to contaminate them, so they might buy 2 or 3 of them. So that's an interesting tool.
And on the bottom, is there a spot to screw a...
There's a no, but it goes through the top and it's angled, so it doesn't touch the toolbox, and it does have a reservoir. I think it's 9 ounces.
Okay.
Okay. Other than that, that's kind of like the short the version. So there's some new tools, but these are the highlights.
Right. Well, how many different tools does Lisle carry? Because this is not even a fair sample of a Lisle.
It's around 900 is what I know of. Yeah,
tools.
That's what I know of recently.
Because I have more hanging on my wall in the office.
Oh yes.
So,
if actually a good representation is what C&L Tool has. They have a lot of tools, including some of our older tools.
we're going to walk through there with the camera.
Yeah, you'll see there are over probably about 36 running feet of tools.
Yeah. Cool. Well, say thank you and goodbye.
Thank you so much, and goodbye.
All right, well, my name is Paul Pilot. I'm with JPW Industries. We manufacture 6 main brands, Jet, Powermatic, Wilton, Edwards, Bailey, and Axiom. So we cover all the woodworking, metalworking, tools in the industry. So we've got some really good deals out here at C&L Tool today. Actually, the first thing I'll talk about is our vices. So we've got the Mechanics Pro vise out here. This is a 5.5 inch. All the Mechanics Pro are made with 60,000 PSI ductile iron. This one has a 5.5 inch opening with replaceable jaws. Also, on the 5.5, you get 3 inches of pipe down in the pipe jaws. Now the 6.5, which we also have on sale today, you can get a 4-inch pipe down in the jaws. It's got a large anvil surface, 360-degree rotation, so you can go all the way around. And the really nice thing about this is it is all completely sealed. So dust, water, all that kind of stuff does not get stuck inside and gum up the works. So really nice, solid. And like I said, we've got a really nice deal on the 5.5 and the 6.5. I think we still have a couple in stock, but we've done real well with them today. And we also had the full line of Wilton vices. So Tradesman is the one that's been around for years and years and years. Looks similar to this, just a little bit bigger on the back end. Those are also 100% sealed units. Those go a lot of times on the back of construction trucks and utility trucks and those things. We've actually recently put together a coated version of that as well. So you get the Tradesman with a coating on it, so outside it's even better for it, and you don't lose your vise. Now, don't get me wrong; those Tradesman vices have been on the back of trucks for years and years and years. We had no problem. We just saw an opportunity to improve it. So, and then also within the Wilton brand, we have our Bash hammers. So the Bash hammers are unbreakable handles. This is what it looks like on the inside. You've got all these rods that go all the way up through the head. This plate on the top actually is on the outside of the head, so that head will not come off your sledgehammer. So if you're missing all the time and overstriking, you're not going to have to worry about that head flying off and hitting somebody else on your job site. Then we also overmold all the way up with a lanyard hole. OSHA requires anything over 5.5 feet, you have to have it on a lanyard. And we put a lanyard hole in all of our hammers automatically. So safety first. All right, and then as we move on to the Jet line, this morning I'm showing our Jet aluminum hoists, the brand new aluminum hoists that have come out. Chain fall hoists have a continuous chain, mostly from pulling from down below. This is a 1-ton version. This is a 1-ton version in the steel body. You can see a big difference in the size, and just imagine the weight difference. It's about 25% less weight. So if you're moving it around on a job site or an industrial setting, you definitely want to go with your aluminum. And then we also have in the aluminum series the cumalongs, what people call cumalongs. So we've got a lot of nice features on this. On all of them, we've got cast safety latches. We've also got right on the outside, if you're using gloves, you can actually turn it into free chain very easily if you want a free chain from one end to the other very easily. Also put a bigger handle with a bolt through it so the handle doesn't fall off. Those have been known to in the past. So we want to have safety first all the way down. And like I said, this is also aluminum. That's a 3/4 ton, if you can believe it. It's that small, it's that light, and they can move it around the job site, use it as a third hand, move it back and forth. The nice thing on all the ones that have overload protection is we've actually got what I call, it's basically the sprocket with the wear material actually fused on. We call it a fused brake. So those things will last forever. They're actually a lifetime warranty on the fused brake. We've never had to replace one because they're so durable. On most of them, they have a wearable material where what will happen is these brakes will wear down and then you have to get them resurfaced, put new ones in there. The bad thing about it too is when it gets cold, you can actually break them. So unfortunately, those ones aren't quite as durable. So on all of our overload protection hoists, we have a fused brake, and it's very, very durable. Thanks for looking at all our products, and have a great day here at C&L Tool.